How to change recording location in OBS Studio. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to change the location of where your recordings are saved? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Open up your OBS Studio, head over to settings in the right hand side, and then you'll need to go to output. Now here you can see recording path. You can tap on browse and then you can choose where you want the screen recordings to be saved and tap on select folder. And that's it. That's how you change the location of recordings in OBS Studio. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.